Let us now begin with the ray diagrams. You will give the heading images formed by convex lenses for different positions of objects. The first position of the object that we have taken is infinity. Infinity means at a very far away distance from the lens. We can consider sun to be an infinitely placed object, and the rays that come from an object which is at infinity are always parallel. So here the object is at infinity. The image that will be formed will be at the focus, that is f2. We will get the image at f2. The nature of the image will be real and inverted. A real image is one which can be taken up on the screen, and it will be inverted, that is upside down with respect to the object. Size of the image, that is point size, very small size image will be formed. So let us start. We will start by drawing the principal axis. Once again I will show you how to draw the lens. First draw the principal axis. Again the same 6 centimeters I have maintained. We have to draw a thin lens. Please keep this in mind. You don't have to draw a thick lens. Just clean the edges. Show the optical center. You can even give the name to the lens MN. Here this is the optical center, the 2 points F2, F2, and this is 2, F1. Just measure it. Again it's 5, so we can just make the point at 2.5, half the distance. So this becomes F1 and this becomes F2. Now we have said that rays coming from an object that is at infinite distance from the lens will always be parallel. So you have to show parallel rays of light. The incident rays coming from an object at infinite distance are always parallel. So these are the two incident rays that we have shown. We know that any ray that is parallel to the principal axis after refraction will pass through the focus. So we have to pass these two rays from the focus. These are the refracted rays. The image will be formed at f2. This is the point size image that will be formed at the focus, that is f2. We even have one experiment to do with respect to this. We have to find out the focal length of the convex lens when the object is at infinite distance. So we can consider some objects which are kept far away from the lens, and we have to find out the focal length of the lens. So here the distance between the optical center and the focus will be the focal length of the lens. So we have done this first ray diagram where the object is at infinity, image is at the focus, it is real and inverted, and it is point size.